Are you curious about the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency? Have you heard about Bitcoin Cash and its upcoming upgrades? In this video, we'll explore how Bitcoin Cash is evolving to become more efficient, user-friendly, and versatile, with features like privacy enhancements, scalability improvements, smart contract functionality, cross-chain atomic swaps, and more. But that's not all. We'll also discuss the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, and how they can transform various industries, from finance and healthcare to logistics and supply chain management. Join us on this exciting journey into the world of digital assets and decentralized technologies. Hello everyone, and welcome to my latest video on the exciting world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Today, we will be discussing one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, Bitcoin Cash, and the new features and upgrades that are coming to the network. But before we dive into that, let's talk about the broader picture of the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry. Over the past decade, we have seen a significant evolution in this industry, with the potential to revolutionize various industries and bring greater transparency, security, and efficiency to transactions. However, this growth has not been without its challenges, and we will also be discussing some of these challenges and how the industry is working to overcome them. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology together. Bitcoin Cash is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world today, known for its high level of scalability, low transaction fees, and faster processing times compared to its predecessor Bitcoin. The Bitcoin Cash network is constantly evolving with new features and upgrades that make it more efficient and user-friendly. Here are some of the new features and upgrades that are coming to the Bitcoin Cash network. Privacy improvements. One of the most important aspects of any cryptocurrency is privacy. The Bitcoin Cash development team is working tirelessly to integrate new privacy features into the network that enhance the privacy of users. The upcoming Schnorr signature algorithm is a significant step towards improving the privacy of the network. This algorithm allows multiple signatures to be combined into a single signature, thereby reducing the size of transactions and enhancing privacy. Other upcoming privacy features include Cash Shuffle and Cash Fusion, which allow users to mix their transactions with others to further enhance privacy. Scalability improvements. Scalability is another crucial aspect of any blockchain-based network. Bitcoin Cash has been working on improving its scalability to ensure that the network can handle more transactions efficiently. The upcoming upgrade is set to increase the block size limit from 32 megabytes to 64 megabytes, which will allow for even more transactions to be processed per block. Additionally, the team is exploring new technologies like graphene and UTXO commitments to further enhance the scalability of the network. Smart contract functionality. Smart contracts are a popular feature of many blockchain-based networks, and Bitcoin Cash is no exception. The development team is working on integrating smart contract functionality into the network to allow for more complex transactions. The upgrade will allow developers to create decentralized applications, dApps, on the Bitcoin Cash network, similar to those on Ethereum. This will enable more complex and versatile use cases for Bitcoin Cash. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.